Hello there everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, you are gonna see how to lock power off on Android. So head over to your settings. Now go to scroll down and go to security and privacy. Now go to glass device protection. Here you can find in the find my mobile option to turn lock the power off on Android, and you can go back and go to the lock screen option to set that. So for that you have to give your phone's password and continue, and here you can try to enable the power off on Android if your Android has that. And yeah, this is how you can do it. Hope this video will help you out, and we'll see you in the next video.